have been buying parts the last 2 days straight and hauling parts and snowmobiles, and now I have enough nest egg to not be bored ever for the next 3 to 5 years, I would assume. So here's a pile of parts I gotta put away later. We'll start working on getting this stuff loaded on the truck and move it to the back shed. Some TX stuff, some cat stuff, TX tracks, and then some MXZ stuff I've been parting out. I got some skids over here. I'll have to get these skids here. I gotta move to the back. There's a bunch right there. So we got some sleds, that's for sure. Probably about 50 out here, I think. I would say about 50. You guys can see what we all got. A lot of mixed variety, you know, older, newer. Some are junk, some aren't. Nice XCR special there. Pretty nice machine. It's old Cyclone. Bunch of wedge indies. A couple more sleds back there, and then over here is some cats. A lot of Yamahas back there. Exciter. Here's some chassis, a Skidoo, and then another. I don't know, it's a Polaris skid, tunnel underneath there. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but more cat stuff. So, tons of parts. My back's sore. Oh boy. So that's what we've been dealing with the last couple days. I've been buying all this stuff and moving it. And now it's time to sell parts, so should be a nice little investment. And I'll show you guys some of the stuff that we got in the back, hoods and various parts that I have to unload. I still have the enclosed trailer there is completely full of boxes of parts and you name it, exhaust pipes and cans and just crazy amounts of stuff, guys. So we'll go in the back shed here in a little bit. I gotta get some pictures of stuff to sell to some people, and then I'll take you along on the way. Walking back by the trailer with a bunch of stuff in it, show you guys what is inside there. Along with all those sleds, you know, we had to buy a bunch of parts, so I'll take you in the back of the last machine shed next, and we'll show you the stuff that we got back there. This is still in the trailer, have not unloaded it yet. I'll get this opened up, take you guys through there, just give you a quick look. You can't see much because it's so packed in there. I'll do another video maybe when I get it all unloaded, but it's going to be another week. So there we go, guys. So there's a couple boxes here. Some Polaris stuff, wedge stuff here. Bajillion exhaust pipes and cans, some Moxie 780 pipes there. There's motors in boxes and boxes of parts up there. Probably about 40 boxes, about this size, full of engine parts, chassis parts. A lot of 90s cat stuff, Polaris stuff, Yamaha enticer and exciter stuff, phaser stuff, 570 liquid stuff, you know, exciter 570. So this is all got to get unloaded in another week. But this is, like I said, a third of the parts that we got, and then I unloaded the other 2/3 that were in 2 pickup truck beds full of stuff, which is mainly skids and front skis and trailing arms and wedge parts. So that is a ton of parts right there, guys. I'll take you in the back next and show you back there. I gotta do some inventory checks anyways, so we'll head back there right now. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, there is a lot of hoods in the shed here. All this stuff is Polaris, new and old. This is miscellaneous. These are all odd ducks, Bolins. You know, there's other weird things in there, Rups, snow prints, things like that. All Massey Ferguson. Some Mercury's mixed in there, I believe, and OMCs are right there. Cat stuff starts there. Besides the TXL, I just pulled that out because it's sold. Cat stuff, and then as it goes down, there's older cat stuff. I'll take you guys back there and show you guys that. It's a little bit dark back here right now, but so here's newer cat stuff, 90s Jags, Cougars. This is all Wildcat 650, and then here comes some of the older stuff. all Jag hoods there. VIPs and older stuff, Cheetahs, all Kawasaki's. Here, I'll get my flashlight out so you guys can see. Kawasaki Invaders, a drifter hood, and then all the Yamaha hoods are back here. So there's probably 40 Yamaha hoods back here. So I got all them back there along with parts up there, which I'll go show you guys in a second. So here's all the hoods we got. There's about 200 hoods. And then here's the John Deeres. I did sell a few John Deeres already. So there's probably 12 or so hoods there, if I had to guess. And like I said, a couple of these EXTs I have sold. And then like I said, the oddballs. You guys have seen these sleds before. These have been here a while. I mean, nothing really special there. The motor pallet here, this stuff I did pick up with all the parts. So there's quite a bit of good stuff there. An exciter motor, enticer motor, chaparral, liquid. The two rut motors really aren't worth anything, but they do turn over. I'm sure somebody could find a use for them. So those came with the haul. And back here, this Skidoo I picked up from this auction lot and all that stuff too. It's a Formula Z 583 purple, like we've had before. We have one of these, so just put the flashlight out, you can see that. Track is sold to somebody else. I'm basically parting this sled out. It needs a track and some other various things. So, and I don't really need it, so I'm gonna just part it out. Here's a couple bins of stuff that we got. This is TX stuff in there. Another buy, some Mach 1 stuff. And then here starts the piles of parts. So this is all stuff that we got in this haul. Like I said, it's a little bit dark back in the shed. There's no lights back here. So there's probably, I don't know how many skids, maybe 30 skids up there. Some drive axles. There's probably 40, 50 clutch guards up there, or belt guards. A couple dozen secondary clutches up there as well. Most are labeled, which is nice. And then this side was all skis, trailing arms for like wedge indies, miscellaneous body pieces and steering sway bars. What else is up there? Anything to do with like cosmetics or front ends is up there. So that's a whole bunch of them up there. There's probably, I don't know, 40 skis, 20 sets of trailing arms, you know, you name it. So that's the stuff we all got there. There's a couple miscellaneous picked up recently. It was like an MXZ 700, some parts in there. And then this is all my enticer stuff on the bottom. So that's been here a little bit. I just recently, you guys saw the video of me parting out those enticers. That is most of that stuff. And like I said, I have to unload all that trailer in the back shed here and get it all consolidated. So that's what I've been up to the last 2 weeks, is buying this stuff and organizing, kind of starting a little parts sales stuff on the side. And it's turning out good for the most part. So just trying to stay organized, and obviously I can't hang on to all this stuff, so I'm trying to sell it. But a lot of nice hoods, guys. I sold a couple nice John Deere hoods already, a couple other nice OMC hoods. So anybody in Wisconsin that's looking for snowmobile parts, that needs something, you know, you guys have seen what I have. Don't be hesitant to message me or leave a comment. Find me somewhere on Facebook, on our Facebook page. You can find us at Bear Creek Boys on Facebook, and you can shoot me a message on Messenger there, and I will definitely try to reply to you. So yeah, so that's what we've been up to lately, is snowmobiles and snowmobile parts. Once again, guys, it would not be possible without the help of our viewers and just subscribers and people watching our videos, because we paid for almost all this stuff with YouTube money, you know. We've been doing a lot better with the revenue the last couple of months. Like I said, all thanks to you guys, you know, the views. Everybody's been, you know, showing us great support in the comment section. We really appreciate that, and we're going to try to keep growing the channel. I don't know what the future holds for it, if it's going to be turning into more snowmobile related stuff and doing projects that way, or if we're going to keep just doing the, you know, fixing up stuff and trying to see if it runs, or, you know, we're kind of all over the place, which kind of good. Some of you guys like the variety, some people don't. but I don't know, like I said, what the future holds. It's been very, very helpful for us buying projects with the extra, revenue from YouTube. So really, really appreciative of you guys. Can't thank you enough. And like I said, you've seen the stuff that we bought with the money that is from you guys, watching our videos and the ad revenue. So that's just an added bonus of us, picking up the camera, showing you what we do on the weekly basis and the weekends, short of our day jobs. So in the back there, nice little pan around our campers back there and stuff, and get you down the aisle there. So other than that, that's kind of what we've been doing the last 2 weeks. You can see I look just like hell. Man, just getting my body's beat up from hauling sleds. We hauled 50 sleds in 2 days, three days. 3 days of work, and we hauled 50 sleds, I think it was. So, man, it's a heck of a feat, guys, and it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for us to get this much quantity of snowmobile-related items. I don't know if I'll ever get another opportunity like this in my life. Being young, maybe there's another chance, but I couldn't say no. And like I said, thanks to you guys for being there, and watching the videos, and now you'll get to be a part of it as we continue to keep working on sleds and learning and fixing projects and selling parts. So leave a comment down below if you guys want to see any videos. I know we have some footage recorded of the sleds in the cow yard that you guys saw. We did a video on getting whatever ones would run, just seeing if they would run, doing compression tests. So I'm going to upload that video. Probably it'll be another video, its own video, and then we'll go through and just kind of show you what we have and kind of individually go through the sleds. But I did record quite a bit of footage on seeing how many of those sleds out of all the ones out there that would run. So you guys can look forward to that video. That should be out in the next week or so, along with a couple of other sled videos we got to get done. And snow is hopefully coming soon. So we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But this is what I've been up to. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below, like I said, what you guys want to see with the snowmobile related things, which way you think our channel should focus on. And like I said, we're trying to grow our audience and see what people are liking more. Is it snowmobiles? Is it dirt bikes? Is it just fixing anything in general? Let us know in the comments. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't already, guys. A lot of our viewers are not subscribers, so I'd like to see that number in the analytics go up a little bit. If we can get some of our subscribers to come back and watch, that would be awesome. So I'll see you guys in the next video.